You ever wonder how to edit your photos like this? Well, let me show you. Hello, my name is Zaya, and I'm the artist and founder of Palaluman Artistry. The first thing you're gonna do is download Studio by GoDaddy. I have an Android for context. And once you download it, it's gonna take you to this screen. You are gonna hit the plus sign button, and then you will choose a size. So I'm gonna choose the Instagram square because I want to make it as a pose, but feel free to choose whatever size you like. Then go to your gallery and select the first photo that you want to put, and then adjust it by doing a pinching motion with your finger. You can resize, align, or angle it however you want. And then you're going to select the second photo. And then same thing, you can pinch it by doing a pinching motion with your finger, and you can arrange this however you want. Tap the photo and click edit. You're gonna go to your tools down here and you see where it says mask. I'm going to select the second tool and then just kind of like erase what I want. Then I'm going to make the adjustments that I want for the size. As you can see, it already has that seamless border. And then just make any necessary edits and adjustments that you want. Press check on the top right corner and hit save. Voila, that is how you edit and create a blended collage.